Easy tuna cakes. Watch this video to know how to make the best tuna patties. This is a high-protein comfort food recipe for your lunch or dinner. Tuna patties are small fish cakes made with canned tuna, mayonnaise, eggs, onion, and mustard, with no breadcrumbs or flour. This healthy restaurant-quality dinner is easy to make. Take 3 tuna cans, drain well from water, flake with a fork, and put in a medium bowl. Chop 1 red onion finely. Finely chop 3 garlic cloves. Add to the bowl. Season with some dry herbs. I used basil. Chop half a cup of fresh parsley. Lightly beat 3 small or 2 large eggs and add to the bowl. Mix until combined. This recipe is not only incredibly easy, but budget-friendly too. In a small bowl, mix together 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, freshly ground black pepper, add in the medium bowl, mix well. Scoop 1/4 cup of tuna mixture, form into a patty, repeat. Heat the olive oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium heat. Fry the patties until golden brown, about 4 minutes per side. Serve with a green salad and light mayonnaise. Enjoy your high-protein tuna cakes! Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.